Hello, guys. You are welcome back to Charisco YouTube channel. Today, we'll be discussing about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency like Solana, Ethereum, and the rest. As you can see, the market is doing well, and Bitcoin is above $99,000 once again, guys. So, just a few days ago, about 2 days ago, Bitcoin was hovering around $99,000, which is about $89,000. Now we are back above $99,000, almost about $100,000, as you can see. Less than 2 days ago, we were just trading around $89,000. Now we are back above 99,000. We are almost back to 100,000, as you can see. So the market is doing great. And today I will be showing you guys a lot of metrics that show that the market is on the right side. So as you can see, the Bitcoin is above 99,000. There's a lot of metric that show that the market is on the right side. So quickly, let me dive in so we can all dive in together. As you can see, guys, this is what I'm talking about. The market, as you can see, every metric right now is showing us that yes, the market is on the right side. Every metric is showing us the market is on the right side, as you can see. BTC is above 99K, guys, which is great. Let's quickly see this. As you can see, let's see this metric. Italian largest bank group, Intesa Sapporo, buy $1 million worth of Bitcoin. So what does this mean? As you can see, most of the banks are telling you not to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. But today, one of the largest bank in Italy is the one buying into Bitcoin. So this means that most of those people, the big boys that telling you not to buy, they are buying. So even if when the market is down, just about 2 days ago, when BTC was trading around $89,000. So if you have added a few dollars, at least by now, at least the market is already up. So you will be up with about thousands of dollars, as you can see. Let's quickly go over here. Let's check out what the market is showing us. As you can see, we are trading around the 99,000. So today we'll be discussing about the crypto market, the metrics. I will be showing you guys a lot of metrics that show that the market is up and a BTC is ready to go higher. So one of the strategies I always tell you guys is that even if when we are up, so what you need to take profit and have some cash on your side, which is very, very important. Sometimes you need to have some cash on your side, which is very, very important. Because even if most of the metric may say that the market we are ready to head up, we are ready to go higher. So sometimes the market may comes down. Most of the retail, the people who are just coming to the market right now, they will be afraid. So because once their portfolio just dropped down with about 10 to 5%, they will be afraid. So in order for you not to be afraid, so sometimes when your portfolio is up, you just have to take profit. You have to be ready to take profit. You have to take profit. Let's say, for example, when Bitcoin was trading around $20,000, now at least as you can see, the market is already up. We are hobbling around the 100K. So you have to sell. You have to sell sell at least 50% of your Bitcoin and have some cash on your side so that when the market is down, you don't have to be afraid or scared. So let's quickly see. As you can see, BTC is trading around the 99K. Ethereum is trading around the 3,300. So just in less than in 24 hours, BTC is up 3%. Ethereum is up. SRP is up 11% in less than 24 hours. As you can see, guys, in 24 hours, SRP is up 24. In 7 days, it's up 28%. So just about 2 days ago, SRP was down with about 15%. So if you have had some dollars, it's almost above SRP is almost above $3, which is all-time high after several years. So after several years, our SRP is almost above this thing now, $3, which is his previous high for like 7 years now, man. So as you can see, BNB is up, Solana is up 6%, Doji is up, ADA is up 8%, Tron is up, average is up. So guys, I will be showing you guys a lot of metrics today that show that the market is ready to go up higher. So whenever we dip down, you don't have to be afraid. You just have to take it as a gift. So to buy more into your portfolio. So you just have to always make sure that you have some cash on your side, which is very, very important. Having some cash on your side. So when you have cash on your side, when the market dip down, you have it's an opportunity. You have to take it as an opportunity to buy more Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency in your portfolio. Bitcoin is just the head of other cryptocurrency. Sometimes when the market is down, or when the market is going up, there are other cryptocurrency like Solana, Ethereum, and the rest, Solana and ADA, which usually outperform Bitcoin in the market, which most of you guys know. As for you guys who are watching me from S, you guys know that I've already tweeted some of those things out today. I tweeted this out on my S, which say that Italia largest bank, which Itesa Apollo, buy $1 million worth of Bitcoin. So those are the big boys, the way are buying. So why did you think that we just went back up from 89,000 back up to like $100,000? That is because those big boys are buying. So you don't have to be scared. You don't have to be afraid. So you don't have to be bearish when we dip down for just for like about a 10 to 5%, you will be bearish. No. So one of the issues is that first you have to know that there is risk in this market. Investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency alone is already risk, yes, which we all know. It's already a risk investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So one of the biggest risks in life is never taking any risk. So there is an opportunity in the market. That is why there is risk. So anywhere there is a risk, there is an opportunity. So you just have to find the opportunity that is beside the risk. Okay. So let's quickly dive in and check out the market, guys. Let's quickly see this. As you can see, this is a MicroStrategy, the CEO of the Michael Saylor, which is the CEO of MicroStrategy. They just added additional Bitcoin of $243 million, which is great. So those kind of big boys, when they are buying, at least you have to even encourage you to say yes. So when you see those kind of big boys buying, and this is a year that we have one of the presidential candidates, which is President Donald Trump, which is also so bullish on Bitcoin. So you guys don't have to be bearish. There's a lot of metrics that show that the market is on the right side. So Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are ready to head higher, guys. So MicroStrategy just added an additional Bitcoin of $243 million to their portfolio, which make their total holding of Bitcoin to 450,000 BTC, which is very nice. So and even if these people say about it, as you can see, this is a Bitwise. Bitwise CIO says companies like MicroStrategy buying Bitcoin is an overlooked trade. It's true, mega trade. Companies like MicroStrategy buy Bitcoin is an overlooked mega trade, which many people would understand. So when companies like MicroStrategy putting such amount in Bitcoin, it's an overlooked mega trade. So when those people are buy, at least you have to take the opportunity and buy. This is an opportunity. It's just like a gift. Many people will be thinking that they have already the Bitcoin has already gone up so hard in the way that they don't have to put money in Bitcoin again. No, Bitcoin is still the overall cryptocurrency, which it does not compete with other coins. Ethereum and Solana, all those ones are just They are tech. So Bitcoin does not compete with them. So there are a lot of metrics that show that the market is on our side. So it's ready to go higher. So I always remind you guys is that don't forget to take profit where you are in profit. Guys, you have to like, subscribe to this YouTube channel, smash the like and subscribe to the channel. So I decide that I will be streaming live every single day in order to encourage you guys for us to invest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in order for us to achieve a financial freedom together. So this journey is a journey that I don't want people to just miss out. I want us to go together. So in my own little idea, I decided that I will be sharing it with you guys so that we'll be able to invest into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And in few months, I will be starting a DCA portfolio with you guys. So whenever I buy, you guys will know what I'm investing on, what I'm buying. And one of the best strategy that win in this market is DCA, guys. DCA has been one of the best strategy that win in this crypto market for the past few years. DCA has been one of the biggest strategy. What is DCA? At least, let's say, for example, you have $1,000. So you don't have to just go all in. At least you may decide you will be adding $50 every week or $20 every week. Or you may decide you will be adding $100 every Friday or every time the market dips. So has been working for the past few years. So sometimes, even if when you are trading, sometimes you may trade and win, sometimes you may trade and lose. But this year has never failed for the past few years, because whenever you buy, even if people who bought into Bitcoin when Bitcoin was trading around $108,000, so when Bitcoin still come back to $108,000, their Bitcoin still remain one Bitcoin. What Bitcoin remain one Bitcoin. So this is one of the assets that has a mass supply. Bitcoin has become one of the assets that has a mass supply that we should be 21 Bitcoin that will ever exist on the planet. And it has been one of the greatest performing assets on the planet for the past few decades. So no any other asset compete with him. So why would you say that you will, what will be your excuse that you should not be able to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? And one of the biggest strategy, one of the best thing is that you can even buy $10, $20 worth of Bitcoin. You may decide to say, okay, you will be putting $20, you will be adding $20 into your Bitcoin portfolio every single week, or adding it on Solana. Or if you want to be adding $100 every week, you may say, okay, I want to add $15 into Bitcoin, $15 to Solana, $50 to ADA, $50 to Avas. So, and most of you guys have been thinking that, so what is the best strategy to start? What is the best way to start? One of the best way to start is, first, you need to have an exchange account like Binance or BYBIT. One of those two accounts, either Binance or BYBIT. So, guys, so once you have a Binance or BYBIT, and I also have the link in the description of this video below. So what you just have to do is to click the link in the description of this video below. So just click the link, sign in with your email, and create a strong password. Then you download the application. So after you download the application, then you verify your document. They will give you an IBAN where you'll be able to deposit funds from your bank account to your exchange account. Then you will be able to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. Once they get you verified, you will see something like this. So then you will see Bitcoin, you will see Ethereum, Solana, and the rest. Then you can decide to buy one of those coins, which is very, very important. And the digital payment is going into cryptocurrency, guys. So we need to do something about this. So we need to invest into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency, guys. So there is an opportunity in this place. So, and I don't want you guys to miss out. I don't want you guys to miss out on this, so that we will be able to achieve a financial freedom with this. Let's quickly see this. As you can see, MasterCard launched a crypto card payment in UAE. So what does this mean? Even if you can see MasterCard, they are still going into crypto payment. So this shows that the big boys are buying. They are ready to buy. But most of the time, the banks will be telling you not to buy, but they are buying. So this is Mastercard buying into bit. They are launching a payment method in UAE. So guys, what am I trying to say is that investing in Bitcoin is not too late. So get an exchange account, and start investing in cryptocurrency today, like Bitcoin and Solana, Ethereum, and the rest. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just encouraging you guys because what I have been working for me for the past few years. This is just for educational content only. It has been working for me for the past few years. So, and I don't want you guys to miss out. So I decide that we will all go all in together. So let's achieve this financial freedom together. Quickly see this metric over here. This is the president of El Salvador, which is Nayib Bukele. He said he's ready to buy the American Bitcoin if they want to sell the US Bitcoin. Because a few weeks ago, there was a rumor that the US want to sell their Bitcoin. So even if the president of El Salvador, which is Nayib Bukele, he said that if US are ready to sell their Bitcoin, so he is ready to buy them in discount. So what does that mean? So when a president of a country, so guys, for those of you guys who are watching me from S, aka Twitter, so also there is a link on my description on Twitter where you can be able to come to YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. So, and if you have a question, drop your question on the chat so that we'll be able to discuss about it. If you have a question, drop your question on the chat. I will respond to it during the time of Q&A. Where we'll be doing Q&A, question and answer. Okay. So at the end of this video, I will be doing Q&A. If there is a question, question, I will be answering it. So you can leave your question on the chat below, guys. So those people are buying. The big boys are buying. The big boys are buying. So you don't have to just sleep on that. So whenever the market deep down, whenever the market deep down, you just have to take it as an opportunity, guys. Take it as an opportunity. Invest something, which is very, very important. It's very, very important, guys. Whenever the market is down, you have to invest in something, which is very, very important. Let me quickly bring out this. Quickly bring out this. This is first time in history we're having a president who is bullish, and not just a president, the president of US. And you all know whatever the US do, every other country copying. Just like President Trump, the president of El Salvador. I want us to quickly listen to this. The president of El Salvador is bullish, and President Trump is bullish on Bitcoin, which is the president of America. President Trump is bullish, and Nayib Bukele, which is the president of El Salvador, is also bullish on Bitcoin. So, under the Trump administration, this is President Trump. Let me quickly share my screen so that you guys will see. Before, even beyond your expectations, and you are the people that are doing it. As we stop the war. This is President Trump. So when during the Bitcoin conference, this is his statement. Just quickly listen. Will skyrocket like never before, even beyond your expectations, and you are the people that are doing it. As we stop the war on crypto, we will immediately, and we'll do this very quickly, begin to build our economy, because when America is prospering, Bitcoin is soaring, and it'll go up with it. We had the greatest economy ever, and we will soon have it again. Under the Trump administration, the typical middle-class family income rose by $6,000 a year. People don't like mentioning that. America had more money to save than at any time in many decades. As a result,
During my 4 years in office, now you have to listen to these numbers. These
And
numbers
that's as you can see.
beautiful.
So what is he trying to say? President Trump, as you can say, President Trump is trying to let us know that. So even if in 2021, when he was in the office, so Bitcoin skyrocketed. So now when he's still in office, so and in the next few days, which will be in office, so he's trying to let us know that yes. So even when it comes to office, and Bitcoin will do the same, and he has been on our side and is bullish on it. As you can see, just see this metric over here. This is Thailand. The Thailand boasts crypto ambition, welcoming Bitcoin ETFs on local exchange. Those are people who never accept Bitcoin. Those are people who few, which is just less than a year ago, they were thinking of banning Bitcoin, but now they are all going on in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. So, guys, in my conclusion, I'm trying to let you guys know that the market is healthy. Bitcoin is on the right side, as you can see. Bitcoin is on the right side, and the market is on the right side. So don't be panic and don't be afraid. Don't be scared. Don't be thinking that, oh, so just every time we drop down just for like about 5 to 10%, you don't have to be panic or be afraid. So less than 2 days ago, we was trading around 98,000, 89,000. Sorry, I take that back, just like a judge. So 89,000 in less than 2 days ago, and today we are back to $99,000, which show that yes, the market is still on the right side. But that does not mean you should not take profit. Always take profit when you are in profit, guys. So always take profit when you are in profit. It's very important. Time you are in profit, always take profit. Because let's say, for example, you buy into Bitcoin, even if it is now BTC is above 99,000. So it does not mean that I'm bearish, but you have to take profit, have some catch on your side. Because when the markets deep down, that is when you have opportunity to buy. So if you don't have catch on your side, when the market deep down, that is what usually make you guys be scared. So you don't have to be scared. So even if you don't have cash on to buy, so you have to hold the one you already have. So in conclusion, guys, I will be streaming every day, Monday till on Monday till Saturday. I will be streaming when I will be sharing a screen with you guys discussing about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So don't forget to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. So it really helps a lot. So every time I will be live to discuss about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency with you guys. Yeah, so see you all tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central European time.